Complete English Learning Story. A Rainy Day. Title: A Rainy Day. Easy English Story for Beginners. Hi friends. Today I will share with you a beautiful story about a rainy day. Last Saturday I woke up in the morning and looked outside my window. The sky was full of dark clouds. Soon I heard the sound of thunder, and it started to rain heavily. I quickly ran to the balcony with my cup of tea. The fresh smell of wet soil made me feel very happy. The streets became quiet, but children were jumping in the water and playing with paper boats. Their laughter made the rainy day more joyful. Later my mother made hot pakoras and tea for everyone. We all sat together near the window, eating and talking. The rain was falling slowly now, and the sound of raindrops was very peaceful. In the evening the sky cleared, and a bright rainbow appeared. I felt so relaxed and thankful. A rainy day is not only about water and clouds, but also about family, happiness, and new memories. That day will always remain special in my heart. Rain, water falling from the sky. Example: it started to rain heavily. Clouds, white or dark things in the sky that bring rain. Example: the sky was full of dark clouds. Thunder, loud sound in the sky during rain. Example: I heard the sound of thunder. Umbrella, a thing we use to stay dry in the rain. Example: I took my umbrella and went outside. Puddle, small water on the ground after rain. Example: children were jumping in the puddles. Peaceful, calm and quiet. Example: the sound of raindrops was very peaceful. Rainbow, many colors in the sky after rain. Example: a rainbow appeared in the sky. Memories, things we remember from the past. Example: this rainy day gave me sweet memories.